Artificial intelligence is no longer the future, it's the present. And nowhere is this more evident than in the banking and financial services industry of India. Think about it. Every time you use UPI, mobile banking apps, or online loan approvals, chances are AI is quietly working behind the scenes, detecting fraud, predicting risks, analyzing your spending behavior, and even giving personalized financial advice. With over 900 million digital payment users, India is becoming the global hub for AI-driven banking innovation. Banks are not just competing on interest rates anymore, they're competing on speed, security, personalization, and customer experience. This is where AI-powered solutions like chatbots, robo-advisors, fraud detection systems, and automated KYC verification are transforming the game. In this video, we'll take you through a complete roadmap to starting an AI in banking services business in India. We'll cover in this video: target audience, market research and analysis, marketing and sales strategy, financial planning, funding and investment options, profit margin, company incorporation and legal compliance, supporting documentation, strategic guidance from Market Research Universe. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Target audience. Your customers will be, well, banks, both public and private, for fraud detection, predictive analytics, and customer automation. NBFCs, non-banking financial companies, needing AI for loan approvals and credit scoring. Fintech startups, adopting AI chatbots, robo-advisors, and personal finance apps. Wealth management firms, using AI for investment portfolios. Insurance companies, requiring AI for claims automation and fraud detection. Corporate clients, treasury management, compliance, and risk analytics. And retail customers, indirectly benefiting through safer, faster, and smarter banking experiences. Market research and analysis. India's AI and BFSI market is on a strong growth path. The market was valued at over $1.5 billion in 2024. By 2030, it is projected to touch $7 to $8 billion, growing at a CAGR of nearly 30%. Extending further, by 2035, the AI and banking market could cross $20 to $22 billion, driven by explosive growth in digital transactions. UPI already crosses 13 billion monthly transactions in 2025. There's also rising demand for AI-based fraud prevention, predictive analytics, and KYC automation. Strong government initiatives such as Digital India, AI for All, and financial inclusion policies are playing a big role too. Key players include TCS, Infosys Finacle, IBM, Wipro, Accenture, and fintech startups like Credgenix and Zest AI. Some notable trends: multilingual AI chatbots, AI-powered voice banking, blockchain combined with AI for secure compliance, and personalized robo-advisory platforms. Marketing and sales strategy. When it comes to branding and positioning, you want to highlight security, compliance, and innovation. Also, make sure to show certifications and provide proof of fraud detection accuracy. For sales channels, focus on B2B sales to banks, NBFCs, and insurance firms. Don't forget about partnerships with IT service providers. Participating in conferences, fintech expos, and AI summits is also key. And of course, maintain a strong LinkedIn and website presence. For promotions, one effective strategy is to publish case studies on fraud detection and customer efficiency. Offering free trials and pilot programs can really help too. And, hey, building influencer credibility by collaborating with fintech experts is a great move as well. Financial planning. Setting up an AI banking services business in India, Well, it requires a moderate to high initial investment. For AI software development and research and development, you're looking at 10 lakhs to 25 lakhs. Cloud infrastructure and security could set you back 5 lakhs to 15 lakhs. Compliance and licensing, that's going to be around 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs. When it comes to branding and marketing, expect to spend about 3 lakhs to 8 lakhs. Hiring a team, including data scientists, engineers, and compliance experts, might cost you 15 lakhs to 30 lakhs. And don't forget about office setup and operations, which can run 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs. So, in total, you're looking at an investment of 40 lakhs to 1 crore rupees, depending on the scale and complexity of your product. Funding and investment options. Now, on to funding and investment options. Bootstrapping is ideal for those early MVPs. Venture capital and angel investors. Well, AI fintech certainly attracts strong VC interest. Bank loans and MSME schemes are good options for scaling infrastructure. Government grants, like those from the Digital India and AI innovation funds, can be quite helpful. And of course, corporate partnerships, co-developing with BFSI giants, are always a great way to go. Profit margin. So, AI in banking is actually a high-margin business. SaaS subscription models, for example, can deliver gross margins of about 60 to 75%. On the other hand, custom AI solutions typically provide margins in the range of 30 to 50%. And, the break-even point is usually somewhere between 18 to 24 months, as long as client onboarding goes smoothly. Company incorporation and legal compliance. So, when it comes to recommended registrations, you'll want to consider setting up as a private limited company or an LLP, since these are really suitable for scaling your business. GST registration is, well, mandatory for any transactions. If you're handling payments, RBI or NPCI approvals are a must. For those offering robo-advisory tools, CB compliance is essential. It's also important to comply with the DPDP Act 2023 for data security. And, certifications like ISO 27001 and PCI DSS can really help boost trust with your clients. Supporting documentations. You'll need to keep some important documents ready, such as your AI product architecture and security reports. Don't forget data processing agreements with clients as well as algorithm validation reports and third-party audits. Vendor contracts and NDAs are also necessary, along with IP protection and employee confidentiality agreements. How Market Research Universe can help you. At Market Research Universe, we help fintech entrepreneurs, AI startups, and BFSI innovators with a whole range of services. MRU provides our services: real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign strategy, business plan, pitch decks, and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances, and documentation. Our solution, MRU Navigator, India's and the world's most advanced real-time market research, strategy, and business planning platform and tool for startup founders, CXOs, directors, investors, and academic professionals. Whether you're validating a new idea or scaling an existing business, MRU Navigator empowers you with real-time market insights, industry trends, competitor analysis, and consumer intelligence. From crafting feasible business plans to creating investor-ready pitch decks, MRU Navigator transforms your vision into actionable data-driven strategies, all in one intuitive platform.
Okay, so hi there. So we are officially launching this platform called MRU Navigator, which is a platform powered by Market Research Universe. And talking about this platform, this is India's first real-time market research platform specially designed for startup ideation, MVP creations, minimum viable product, market fit understanding, business planning, pitch deck creation, GTM, go-to-market strategy, and of course the execution, including the launching platform. which includes a lot of media sites and podcasting launching also. Okay, so this all activities in a all-in-one centralized platform, which is MRU Navigator. Okay, and that is one of a kind of platform that we have launched, and this is, we are trying to help to the new generation entrepreneur or startup founder, or a first generation entrepreneur, or a founder or a aspiring entrepreneur who really wanted to start something by your own, but they don't have really huge amount to invest in research. And now when it comes to research, when it comes to market research, I am telling you what is the importance of this and how this MRU Navigator platform going to help you. So first of all, before I come to the solution and what our product MRU Navigator or platform or tool you can consider is going to help you, that is the solution part. I will come to later on. First, understand the problem. What exactly the problem going on in our society, not only in India but also globally. So 90% of startups in India is failing, not only in India but also globally. As per the recent data, we got to know that 90% of startups failing. Now why? And only 10% somehow surviving, and they are doing good. Now let's talk about the first part, which is 90% failing, and why 10% is getting success. I'll discuss also. So let's understand first why 90% of startups failed during their first year, second year, third year, and within 5 years or within 3 years, 2 years, they are getting failed. They are shut down their startups. They are not able to survive. One of the main root cause is lack of understand of market fit, lack of understand of their market readiness, lack of understand of the demand from your customer, the market demand. Okay, and startup founders or anyone who wanted to start your business, they actually doing a blunder without doing proper research. They are starting their business. Now here what they are doing is basically they are literally doing gambling, because when you start a business without doing a proper research, without doing at least understand whether the product or startup or business model there you are going to start, is there any market need, consumers are really looking forward or not. Okay, without understanding this, they are just starting from their gut feelings and from their own assumptions. So this is actually a blunder. At least you have to understand the market need, the consumer. Understand that, then you can do a minimum viable product within a minimum investment. You can do a quick research, which is called product market feasibility or MVP creations, minimum viable product, and then you can come up with a full of confidence that this market is my product is going to work, and then getting good traction, minimum traction, so now I can start. And then your business planning, pitch deck creations for investment, and then go to market strategies, and then your executions. So if you don't do these stages and you are directly executing, good, you are executing is very much important, because first step is important. But are you the person who is just executing without any proper plan? I am not telling you at the same time, I am not telling you to invest 2 years, 3 years for only research part and all. Minimum time is required. Do proper research. I am here, or my MRU Navigator here to solve. If you start a business with 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, whatever, उसके अगर 5% to 6% आप इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, to do research which can give you a 70 to 90% success rate, which I myself is promising you guys. Okay. I'm gonna give you a proper solution, proper business idea, how I'm gonna sit with you, give you a one-to-one mentorship. Okay, and I understand, okay, what is your passion that you are in, what is your skill set, what is your experiences in which you are interested, and of course what is your investment capacity. This is very much important. How much you can invest. Okay, understanding these all attributes, I'm coming up with a proper business idea for you. Okay, and that's why it's a business real-time market research platform for business startup ideations. So here you will get 500 plus business ideas actually readily available, and within these 500 business ideas there are 10 to 20 business niches, understanding the market segments and all, okay, which is in trends and all. So you will end up with more than 5,000 business niches, and you will keep continue working on that to increase the numbers. Okay, so once you register, you will get a lot of business ideas here. Select whatever you feel interested in, and then I will come give you a mentorship, one-to-one mentorship. I will sit with you, understand your passion, understand your interest, understand your capacity, investment capacity, and also I will come up with the market opportunity, understanding your perspectives, investment, interest, and then I'll come up with the best possible business idea that is in the opportunity, that is in the trend, and you can track the opportunity. When is the right time to start that business. I'll come up this kind of customized solutions for you also. And then of course once you've done that, we'll do a MVP for you, a quick minimum investment, quick MVP, minimum viable product. And once you've done that, we'll feel confident and we'll work on the in the sense that before GTM is planning and pitch deck creations. Okay, so what is the how to create a investor ready pitch deck? Because government are investing, government is promoting, government giving you grants, government giving you a lot of loans. But the thing is, you have to understand that how to get that actually. You have to understand the process and all. So you have to also understand the information's right time. Okay, that will help you, and will help you to give you that kind of advisory also to get an investment from government grants and all. And then the investor pitch decks and all, business planning, full report. And also after that you'll get a proper GTM strategies, that is strategy plan, go to market strategy. In that, how gonna be your marketing, how gonna be your branding planning, and also the launching plans. In the launching plans, what gonna include is you will get a lot of promotional activities, including articles, PR articles, video articles, short videos, and of course the podcast. Okay, because podcast is nowadays, it is a new trend to discuss each other and get into deep conversations, which is, I think, is trend. So this can reach your audience very fast, your target audience very fast. So this all thing can be done in this platform. So that's why I'm telling you, this is a all in one, a single, centralized platform or ecosystem, startup ecosystem. You just come in this platform, automatically you'll get that lot of this is the DIY, so you will get that subscription. That's why I'm telling you, this is a platform where you just it's just from your side, you just need your interest, that you really wanted to do. You need to be very serious about, at least, that you wanted to do something extraordinary out of the box. You wanted to do something by your own. So this is where the platform that you can come within a minimum investment. You can start. Now I am telling you what are the challenges that at that time during the survey process we found that that they are not of course they are not capable. Sometimes there are a lot of founders who are very initial level. They are not investing. They are not financially capable to invest lakhs in the market research. So for that's the solving that actually I am coming up with this platform, which is a minimum investment you can start your market research. Do understand, and that's why we are helping here to the first generation entrepreneurs or young entrepreneurs who are really facing a problem, who are not able to come up with the solutions, but they also have the not that much financial capacity to do big research with big firms and all. So that's the thing is here to solving actually. Okay, so here we will use a lot of strategies within a minimum reasonable cost. You can get into this platform. As you can see, so this is a 5-stage. You can see the screen. This is the 5-stage solutions that we normally provide. So that is that first you get the utility, utilize my MRU navigator. You can see here first stage. In the second stage, in that stage, once you register, you will get a lot of 500 starters, 5,000 niches and all business niches. And then in the second stage, you will do access. You will get the access of real-time market researches in the dashboard forms. Okay, in the dashboard form, and all this information you will get, and then which can help you to understand the market size, TAM, SAM, SOM, business opportunities, niches, and all the information is readily available there in the dashboard form. And this keeps continuous updating actually. Okay, weekly, monthly, whatever needed, just keep updating. So that's why it's real-time market research, and it will come into a dashboard form. If you want, you can get the detailed, download the detailed report also there. In the third level, you can see the planning stage. So in this stage, you will plan, you will detail planning, you will also plan the GTM strategies there. So all the information are readily available there, but if needed, we will do the customizations for you also. Okay, so that is included. And then fourth stage, you will create a pitch deck, investor ready pitch deck. So now here, this is very much important because pitch deck is very much important. So they need to be data driven, which is legitimate data, a lot of information need to be there. So we'll help you on that case. You can yourself can create a pitch deck also, and we will also definitely help you on that case, on the expertise to create a really professional pitch deck. Okay, and then we also help you to give you understanding where to get, how to target your investors, where to get investors, how to get VCs, contacts and all. We will help you on that. Whole ecosystem is there. Okay, and then the fifth stage will help you do that marketing part. Okay, promotion, launching, and marketing part. Okay, in the launching, as I told you, you will get a lot of tools and also a lot of services, PR services, articles, PRs, YouTubes, videos, Instagram, and then all these LinkedIn, of course the LinkedIn, and podcasting, and all these social media activities, and then podcasting will be there. Okay, and we'll help you on that case. We'll do for you also. Okay, this is how you will get a quick reach to your target audience. Also it help you to get your investment. So you'll be you can reach to your target audience and your investors. Okay, so this is the 5-stage solutions for our from your this MRU navigator. So as I told you, we are just helping to startup founders, CXOs, investors, researchers, academicians, management students, or any aspiring entrepreneur who want to build a data-driven market fit venture and create a successful and future-forward business. You are welcome here. Okay.